Hi, it's time for our technology activity in our take-home STEM kits. So you're probably watching this video on a computer or a phone. So maybe you've heard the techie words bit and byte. But what do they have to do with computers? A bit is a binary digit and has only two possible values. Bi means two, and in this case, the values are usually 0 and 1. To represent larger pieces of information, bits are strung together in sequences of 8 called bytes. A byte is a sequence of binary digits made up of 8 bits. The computer then reads the data and executes programs and activities. You can think of binary coding like a computer's DNA. The zeros and ones are strung together in a pattern that a computer can read. Binary code isn't a program on the computer, but rather a building block or tool that a computer uses to process and decode information and complete processes. We are going to make an ornament using binary code. You will need your alphabet binary code sheet and your bag with the pipe cleaner and the red and white and green beads. We are going to make one ornament together that uses the beads in your bag. Let's write KWEC for the Kansas Wetlands Education Center. We need to assign the 0 and the 1 a color. Let's say 0 is red and 1 is white. The green beads will be used to separate the letters in our code. So let's start with a green bead on our pipe cleaner. Next, we need to find K for Kansas. You can see we have a 0, and we said 0 would be red, and then 1 would be white, and we have 2 reds, so 0, 0, white, 0, so red, and then white, white. And we'll put those on our pipe cleaner in order. And we can double check. We should have 8 color beads that match with the code for K. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits to make up a byte. And we can go ahead and we're going to separate our letters with a green bead. All right, so we've got the Kansas, and now we need the W for wetlands. So it looks like we'll start again with red, white, red, white, red, and then 1, 1, 1, we have 3 white beads, and we place those on our pipe cleaner. And we have our binary code for W. We'll put a green bead on. And we'll go to E. Looks like we have red, white, red, 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 white, red, white for our code. Add those to our ornament. Let's double check our E. Do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits make a byte? Add our green bead. And we're ready to make the C for center. We have red, white, red, 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 white, white. Remember that actually reads 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and that's our binary code for the letter C. We'll add those to our pipe cleaner. And we'll finish it off with our last green bead. And we can twist our ends so that the beads won't fall off. Make little knots. Same with the bottom. Tie it in a knot. And you can cut off the extra end if you want. Wrap your ornament or twist your ornament to form a candy cane. Now you have a Christmas ornament that only your techie friends can read. So it says KWEC, KWEC for the Kansas Wetlands Education Center. Can you make more patterns? Can you write your name in binary code? What color combinations would you need to spell Happy New Year or Ho Ho Ho? Take a picture of your creations and share on our Wetlands Center Facebook page or at KWEC Pics on Instagram. We've also included some extra bonus coding sheets in your bag, and you can make a secret coding picture. And so you follow the directions to reveal a secret hidden image in the code below. So there's a dot for where you start, and you follow the directions on the code. And so for this picture, you need red, green, and yellow or gold crayons or markers, and you follow the directions. So you start at the dot, and this one says to go down one red space. So then you would take your marker and just draw a mark going down one red, and then to the right one red. And then in the end it will reveal a hidden secret picture. And there's an anagram at the top that helps give you a clue. So you unscramble it and it will help give you a clue as to what your picture should look like when you're done. So thanks for grabbing our take-home STEM kits, and we hope you and your family can come to the Kansas Wetlands Education Center soon.